Hi, my name is Spencer, and today I'm introducing the brand new Aldan American Buick Riviera front coilover and rear shocks. This kit features our road comp single adjustable coilover with 6 positions of compression dampening control and a bearing to fit in our new bracket. The front spring is similar to a lot of our other road comp series coilovers, with a large upper diameter for the spring pocket and a small lower diameter for the coilover portion. This coilover allows for about a stock ride height to a 2-inch drop. This kit includes our thrust bearings. These are placed in between the spring seat and the spring, allowing for an easy adjustment even on a big car like this Buick. The kit includes all of the front hardware that you will need. This includes 4 bolts for the lower control arm and 2 bolts to mount the shocks to our new brackets. Our brackets are made in America just like our shocks, and it features a keyed and then robotic welded tab. The rear shocks are going to be our smooth body Trueline series. They feature an 11-position rebound dampening adjustment, and like the fronts, are made here in our Aldan American factory. The rear shock hardware is not included in this kit. You will need to reuse the hardware currently installed on your Buick. For more information about this kit and other great Aldan American products, check us out online at aldanamerican.com.